Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज हम 3 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। यूनियन कैबिनेट हैज अप्रूव्ड स्टिमुलस पैकेज ऑफ हाउ मच अमाउंट एज पार्ट ऑफ आत्मनिर्भर भारत पैकेज। दिस अमाउंट इज ₹6,29,000 crore. Union Cabinet has approved this amount that was announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to revive the economy and the second COVID-19 wave. What is the outlay of revamped distribution sector scheme for power discom approved by CCEA? CCEA is the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. This committee has approved the amount of ₹3 lakhs crore for strengthening system of utilities to improve efficiency. Cabinet has approved MOU between India and which country on refurbishing personal administration and governance reforms? This country is Gambia. Who has taken the charge as Director General of All India Radio recently? N. Venudhar Reddy has taken this charge. He is an IIS officer. IIS officer means Indian Information Service Officer of 1988 batch. CM of which state has asked the Finance Department to release ₹10.50 crore for 50 villages under phase 1 of PMAGY, that is Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana. This state is Punjab, and Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, has asked the Finance Department to immediately release this amount toward this scheme. Centre has declared which state as disturbed area for another 6 months. This state is Nagaland. And Centre has declared the whole state of Nagaland is in disturbed and dangerous condition and has further extended the operation of AFSPA, that is Armed Forces Special Power Act, for 6 more months. Hausla, an initiative for women entrepreneurs, has been launched by which state or UT? This has been launched by Jammu and Kashmir to harness the energy, enthusiasm and exuberant dreams of women in Jammu and Kashmir. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has launched this Hausla initiative. West Bengal government has launched students credit card to provide soft loan up to how much amount for higher studies? This amount is ₹10 lakh. Students can take a loan of up to ₹10 lakh to pursue higher studies with the help of credit card. And eligibility for this scheme is till 40 years of age, and a tenure of 15 years will be given to the students to repay the loan after getting a job. CBSE has introduced financial literacy textbook curated by NPSI for students of which class? It has been introduced for class 6th students. And this book will be used for a newly introduced elective subject, financial literacy. It will enable the students to have an understanding of basic financial concepts at preliminary stage of education, and these concepts are like banking, security, digital payments, and so on. Cabinet has given nod for revised implementation state of BharatNet through PPP model in how many states? This number is 16, means it has been implemented in 16 states. GST system, India's biggest tax reform, has completed how many years on July 1st, 2021? It has completed 4 years. And 1st July is designated as GST Day by central government. And GST Act was passed in Parliament on 29th March 2017 and came into effect on 1st July 2017. State Bank of India, the oldest commercial bank in country, celebrated which foundation day on July 1st? It is its 66th foundation day. ZyCoV-D is which country's first indigenously made plasmid DNA vaccine against COVID-19? This vaccine has been made by India. It is India's fifth vaccine after Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik V and Moderna's mRNA 1273 vaccine. Helpline Sukoon is related to which state or union territory? It relates to Jammu and Kashmir. And this is first 24/7 counseling helpline to provide mental health counseling. How many European nations have confirmed that they will allow travel by people who have been vaccinated with Serum Institute of India's Covishield? It is 9 European nations that has given this permission, including Austria, Germany, Greece, Iceland, Ireland, Spain, and so on. Nations World Tourism Organization's headquarters is located in Madrid. Recently, which country has started 2 units of Behatan hydropower plant? This country is China, and it has launched first 2 generating units. The station is the largest and most technically difficult hydropower project under construction in the world. Recently, which country has become Europe's first mask-free country? This country is Italy. Recently, where Ukraine and America are jointly organizing military exercise Sea Breeze 2021. It is in Black Sea. Who has become the first women cricketer to get dope ban? She is Anshula Rao, and she has been handed a 4-year ban by the National Anti-Doping Agency for failing a dope test, backdated to July 2020. Rao thus becomes the first women cricketer to have been punished for doping. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.